What credit score do you need to buy a house? There are many misconceptions about the credit score needed to buy a house. Recently, it was reported that 24% of renters believe they need a 780 to 800 credit score to be considered for a mortgage. The reality is they are misinformed. Only 25% of the Americans have a FICO-registered trademark score between 740 and 800. Here is the breakdown according to Experian: 16% very poor, 300 to 579, 18% fair, 580 to 669, 21% good, 670 to 739, 25% very good, 740 to 799, 20% exceptional, 800 to 850. Randy Hopper, Senior Vice President of Mortgage Lending for Navy Federal Credit Union, said, "Just because you have a low credit score doesn't mean you can't purchase a home. There are a lot of options out there for consumers with low FICO-registered trademark scores. There are many programs available with low or no credit score requirement. The Federal Housing Administration, FHA, now requires a minimum FICO-registered trademark score of 580 if you want to qualify for the low down payment advantage. The U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, does not set a minimum credit score requirement, but most lenders require a score of at least 640. Veterans Affairs, VA, loans have no credit score requirement. As you can see, none of them are above 700. It is true that the average FICO-registered trademark score for all closed loans in January was 726, but there are plenty of people taking advantage of the low credit score requirements. Here is the average FICO score of closed FHA loans since April 2012 according to LEMAE. As you can see, that number has been dropping for the last 7 years. As a matter of fact, the average FHA purchase FICO-registered trademark score reported in January 2019 was 675. One of the challenges is that Americans are unsure about their credit score. They just assume that it is too low to qualify and do not double-check. Credit.com confirmed that only 57% of individuals sought out their credit score at least once last year. FICO-registered trademark reported, since October 2009, the average year-over-year FICO-registered trademark score has steadily and consistently increased, from a low of 686 in 2009 to the latest high of 704 as of 2018. Here is the increase in the average U.S. FICO-registered trademark score over the same period of time as the graph earlier. More information, please call us today 209-651-2000.